Now this is a classy blind bag. Hello my little clay friends and my crafty cuties, welcome back to my classy channel. In this video, I'm gonna create an artistic blind bag inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night. This blind bag is gonna be filled with blue, artsy and Starry Night themed items. And it's perfect as a gift for artists. Before we start this tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't lose my channel. So let's go my little clay friends. Actually, I'm currently making little surprise bags inside this blind bag. I use different color paper for each color of the charm inside the bag. For the Starry Night theme, we can use yellow, blue, green, and orange colors. Already cut these colored paper with scissors like I do. And now fold the cut colored papers like a pocket as I do. After you fold these colored papers, you can attach them with glue. We'll leave one part of this bag open so we can put the charms in from here and then glue it. Okay, they're all ready. Here we cut out the printed photos of the question mark that I previously printed on paper with scissors and stick them to these bags. And these are the things I want to put in these colorful bags. A phone charm, a pen, and a cute bracelet, and they all made by myself. And also 2 clay rings in the Starry Night color theme. Besides 2 hairpins. And a pair of palette earrings for cool artists as a surprise. Well, since I don't have a good memory, I wrote down the items of this bag for myself, so I wouldn't forget. there we go! So I'll put my brand name on this bag too. Now it's time to put my handmade items into these surprise bags. This is actually my favorite moment. And then we glue it all close. It looks so satisfying, isn't it? If you're enjoying this video, give me a red heart in the comments. Well, I'm waiting for you.
Quiet hum whispers, just me and you. The stars' eyes are shy, but they still peek through, falling like secrets in a sky so true. Underneath the starlit reverie, every life feels like it's meant to be. The world slows down, the time feels free, caught in the glow of infinity. The trees are shadows, they sway and lean. The moon's a lantern casting silver sheen. A cricket song cuts the still serene. The night unfolds, a living dream. I hear the pulse of the earth below, a rhythm that only the dreamers know. Each heartbeat
It's almost done. Tell me in the comments which items you like the most.
under the stars, we let it show. Underneath the starlit reverie, every life feels like it's meant to be. The world slows down, the time feels free, caught in the glow of infinity. The night won't last, but the stars remain. They'll trace the path where we left our name. A fleeting spark, but it's not in vain, caught in the glow of infinity.
Finally, I will stick one of these stickers I drew myself on this blind bag. And it's finally done. You can make this blind bag for artists and give it to them as a gift. You can even make it with different themes, such as different professions, and give it to your friends as a gift. If you'd like me to make blind bags for other jobs or different occasions like Halloween and Valentine's Day, let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new from this video and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because your support means the world to me. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. Thanks a lot for your watching. And as always, stay colorful, stay crazy, and keep creating magic with your hands. Bye bye!